You love your Brita pitcher because it gives you clean water, right? But what if the water could also be healthier? With this in mind, we now offer a new filter by Life's Better brand that fits most Brita pitchers and turns them into an alkaline water pitcher with healthy antioxidants. You can now drink filtered, purified drinking water with a healthier pH and added antioxidants. Simply replace your Brita pitcher filters with the ones from Life's Better brand, and it will instantly start making your water alkaline with a pH of 8.5 to 9.5. It will also use an advanced active carbon filter to reduce the amount of chlorine, dust, grain, odor, and more from your water, making it healthier than ever. You can put it in all types of Brita models with ease and give yourself and your family the gift of healthier water. Use Life's Better brand alkaline water pitcher filter replacements to turn your Brita pitcher into an alkaline, antioxidant drinking water machine instantly. Start being healthier and order your economical alkaline antioxidant replacement filters now.